Welcome to the Mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is listening to a tape. Now, you gotta go and catch this tape for yourself. And remember, guys, you have to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, have yourself a beautiful day. I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this your year. And for all my other lovelies, have yourselves a wonderful day. Keep that smile on your face. You only have one life to live. Live it just the way you want to. Have yourselves a beautiful day.
Clock cupboard, let me see what I have in there. Come let me see now house. Come let me see now no blood clot bathroom in the kitchen. Open up no cupboard and somehow have some pretty cupboard right now and roach are running in there. Come show me now.
Yes.
Come show me the bed one
yes, me a go come here madman.
Come show me now the blood clot.
I'm a love anchor. Well on, curly paws. Yes, Joy. I go into that meet and greet because I love to anchor. I'm gonna push up myself and peeps. Alright, you see me there here? You see me. Live and direct. I go in my camera and say, hello! I'm here. Hey Joy, I cross there, fucking crosses. Why would I go, Joy? What reason would I have to go? Why should I go? Hey, Joy, listen, on the video to the fucking eat. That's it to God.
Show me the shower when I
shake good.
Come show me in the closet if you can't find one fucking soap in there good for wash. For wash the kid with. Come show me. Come show me a toothbrush now in the closet. Come show me.
What did I say? Alright, girl.
Come show me the amount of shoes on have and clothes on have. Come show me. Since I see no walk over. And come blood clot, come show me the bank account and show them mine. My one don't have the money there. It's 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Come show me with the millions in there. My one is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Can't done.
Crazy says 0 can't done. What did I say?
If you don't saw blood clot rich and come establish, come dash out. Come up here. If you don't saw fucking rich, come up here and show me the bank account and turn off on a blood clot monetization. Turn off it. Turn off this blood clot. Let me listen to the commercial compound page. Turn off it. I bet you know. Turn off this blood clot for the rest of the 2 of it. Let me see if I can do it. Turn off this pussy clot for the rest of the year.
I told you that I go in there. I not say. I not say. A big thing.
If you know some blood clot rich, turn off this bomb
clot. A big things are going over there.
Facebook.
Oh.
Turn it off. One of your customers tell me. Oh, caca eye, fat ugly bitch. Oh, that go through me ears and come back. It just down me ears are saying like a blood clot mosquito. That's it. It have no meanings to me. We're just singing. Oh, ugly girl, bigger, fatter, ugly, big girl. Only in America 40 years. You know I'm not. Fucking Max with that. Singing in my ears. Mosquito. Flying in my ears. Come back again. No. What the fuck in the white heavens?
Yo, I'm dead.
Come show me the money, motherfucker. Show me the motherfucking money. Show me the money. Who don't like peace? Who don't like war?
I've been said that. Me did tell them that long time now. I want them love them like peace.
But yet you not yet.
True.
No dirty blood clot can't tap call people name.
But you know, since you should have seen this long time. I tell you, I study the people them hey. You don't realize every day of life for the last 5 years always something. When I come up and I want to come up and I want to. You see me come up and I day? Very real. You see me come out there very real. If I come out, when I come out there, I feel them say I come out there ready. I never me I come out there on backside. I feel sure say me, I am not the problem. And them are the problem. They love war and bagga and them love it. Not me. I don't want to come. I don't want to class me. So if I know I eat that, I feel like me have to laugh if I want to. Yeah, me have to laugh. Because I don't know, realize how the problematic people them out here. When I always put upon me when it's not that I want the people them. I don't know when the people are the problem out there. Food don't want the people them is doing it. Not me. I don't know sense in the dark. I just don't see it. Cause I love, go love no mama. Go love no mama, no papa, no pity them. I have to figure out how to deal with that.
If you not hate me, I want to hate other people out there. Wanna black whatever. Wanna black whatever. Eh? Wanna black whatever. If we not run up on a little blood clot dividend see. Don't carry me and don't care what people out here. I see how much bomb clot like when I get and views.
Like and share, girls. Like and share.
40 years America. If I live in America 40 years, bitch, you never come here for your party. Sit down. That means me have the best of America. We just relax now. Do we need a house? Bomb clot? No.
I need them to pay that.
No.
They love excitement. They love fear.
Just running ideas, chatting. The Americans are here. They ain't got no house either. The whites are here, poor whites. They don't have no house either. So what the fuck you talking about? They live here.
So when I see the money out of the show?
House. I'm a visitor here.
I don't know.
I'm a motherfucker's visitor. Do I need a house to live in America and Hilton up here now? I enjoy myself here. I live here. I want to live here. One of the best country in the world. I don't want to go back to motherfucking Jamaica. I just go to Jamaica to eat something and come back and enjoy my lovely Caribbean.
Right,
but I don't want to live
so.
down there. It ain't got nothing to offer me.
Right,
Jamaica don't have nothing to offer me. Everybody want to run come here except for the rich people. You live she ain't got no house. Lame. She ain't got no car. Her man ain't giving her nothing. Her man don't. Oh, zip.
Come and give us some likes now.
Fucking lame.
The cheap, the free.
Stinking ass cunt. Oh no. And nobody take nothing. I ain't take nothing for no Tina. Me a spit blood clot just over here. Marcia is splitting justice. That bitch ass girl at Jamaica should not come up and make a statement what she make. When me here go on social media, she should have keep her fucking more quiet and be able to put and allocate them. That wasn't necessary. Because she can't talk about nobody and man. Me here what a statement she make about man. Both man and want the man. No man don't want she either. She a man. No people man she have. Anybody married to her? She look happy too, no? She don't want money like her rice and water. You know fucking me. Ever see she have be a cake in me? Look how she tired and look fucking whole. If somebody who have money. I wanna come there and chat fuck you and run with her like say she a big deal. Big deal me blood clot. Big deal way. She said nothing about me. They can come fix her blood clot. Did she call me name for them out? Did she call me name for them out? She dropped no word for me. We can get to tell about your bomber clot. You come in America. You come America. Me tell about your bomber clot too. You drop no word for me. You think nobody afraid of you, bitch?
Hey, we can't but I know. We can't but I'm
She making a statement about me now fucking like a black woman. She had to come in and watch her. I hear me here come one somebody page and play it.
Oh.
You make no blood clot dropping a word for me put for your pussy clot. Cause you go on like say. And you alone get blood clot American passport from America. Like nobody like say you come America. You have blood clot Lucifer. You are the glower. You are the mark of the blood clot beast. You come back and change the aspect and the surrounding and stamp you up and say your blood clot can't buy sugar ice cream and cake. Get the fuck out of here. You love too much blood clot war too much. Come here with it. I hear you have to come with it. Come trouble me. Come trouble Uncle Sam blood clot disability welfare girl.
Right, that's a girl, right? That's a...
Come here, come trouble and go on. And both you carry a lawsuit. Come carry me a blood clot lawsuit. Come get me bumble clot welfare check and me disability check. And me blood clot caca yard and me blood yard. Come carry them a blood.
Hold on. Hey, you know what I'm saying? Let's say hypothetically speaking, that I bring Curly, I got cut. I want to try and bring me got cut. Then I would that don't get. How you fucking fuck? That's the way you get. No, you want to rice grain. I two spoon of sugar. That how you get from me? Hey, that if you have me got caught. I'm sure say if you got caught, I just saw anything come out that is also. But I say And if you win, hypothetically speaking, if you win, how will you all get from me? Why? Hey, people, want to help me laugh? Don't help me laugh. Want to help me laugh, man. Help me laugh. Why? Hey, what I don't get? I'm not gonna get. Yo. Hey, move on. Move again. No. I think we got quota when you get. You get 2 spoons of sugar. I'll cup of ice cream. Hold on. You can't get the Clyde. You can't get the Clyde. If you want the Clyde, yes. You can get some tea bag. You can definitely get that. Why? No, sir. Let me take my time at joke to ask that. I don't say now, come on, I say, if you want to bring Puga Quota, I won't get. I want 2 cake. What 2 cake you want? You want 2 sweet potato, put it up. I won't get. I want 2 rum cake. I was not glad. Why? That's
both you did you make video make people circulate before you cry peace. Your blood clot sit down there fucking little tired that look like an anti-Jemima bomb clot whole granny.
Anti-Jemima.
We don't want bomb clot blagging and true to get blagging. You don't like peace.
Sir.
You don't like peace. How the fuck you come out and show shade? Somebody come out and make one little letter. You don't like peace. And now you blood clot, but you want, but you get same thing. Doctorate, me bumble clot. I must say Dr. Pepper soda you drink. Look how you look. Look how you look tired. Where you work so hard for? You're not rich. You don't have a bumble clot US money in your bank account up here. Where you take and buy house in Orlando. And where you did that, and where you mix up in all kind of business a yard where you spoil. And put yourself in a fucking wallet a bill where you can't pay. You look how you work hard. For your baked pudding. A pudding season now? Huh? Look how you work hard. And you say you have money, get the fuck out of here, bitch, you broke. Just like me. You're bumble clock broke. That's why you sit down on YouTube from morning to night for Coronation 24 market. Get the fuck out of here. You love too much war. You love too much war. If you say you're busy, somebody you're brand ambassador and brand ambassador, bumble clock, people riffraff company. Shut the fuck up and go sit down. I'm going to make your fucking cake them. You need like drop out from people, make people come on social media, cuss people and call him and show up, cuss me and Tina. You don't like nothing. Go attend to your bun up cake them. You taste bad blood clot, name bad cake them, but attend to them. You love too much war. You think you're Jamaica, this pussy clot, yeah? You're coming up through territory. Blood clot America, with you a long time. Media bomb clot 40 years and Tina, they know long. No, I want to wear so no fucking buy up. Judge can't go on here, so you can't buy up no judge. You can't buy up no blood clot police department, yeah. And you can't get no blood clot gunman to go circle around here. If you go talk beside you. You understand? So you have to come here, so. You have to go walk for where you want. You can't buy up no blood clot police around here. Because you're no big celebrity in the county, they don't know you. So you not get no fucking special treatment, yeah. The only special treatment you get from your Blanca group them. If you know anybody don't know you more, yeah. If you come to Jamaica Avenue and walk, the only somebody's going to acknowledge is Jamaican people them. No other race, no blood clot acknowledge you. So you're not a big deal. When you're a big deal when everybody know who is white, black, pink, red and purple.
So what are you saying people like Rihanna, Beyonce, Sierra, Jay-Z, Jennifer Lopez, people like that, Nelly, all of them people that big, I never had a big deal, them no, I the blood. Curly, Iris, you're kind of look a pint, you're kind of look a pint still. Iris, you're kind of look a pint, it's a curly, yes, girl.
Somebody know it is Jamaican diaspora, so nobody have peace here, nobody.
Look a pint.
The only somebody called to you in the airport is the people who work, the Jamaican people who work. Nobody don't know you. So but things say I get no blood clot big treatment where you come here. Yes, you might have come, you don't come here, people like, oh, let me go greet you. But after 1, 3, 4 months, nobody know you. Nobody be with you.
Whoa.
Come up, come walk.
My body.
Come walk and bake, you put me and sell the blood clot, put them for $100. Let me see. Come. You love too much war. I'm speaking Jamaican language. I'm speaking Jamaica language. The language of get up, stand up. Stand up
for your right, period. Get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight, Mama Clot. Get up, stand up. Stand up for your right. Get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight. No girl or boy can't touch me because I want to the father about time. Simple. Curly a bad girl. That's, hey, we like Curly. We like Curly. No, Curly a bad girl. Bad like blood. Hey, you don't like what Curly? We like him mouth. Him mouth sweet. I don't like cuss. In cuss nice. You know? That's glad. Hey, Curly, if you're younger, I would have take you. If you're younger, I'd take you. And I would have give some sweet pimento wood. But you know what? You're a big woman. So I have to respect you as a big woman. You understand? Let's go and chew. Yeah. You know you want some bitter? You bitter us, but you know you want some bitter us. Relax, girl, relax. Relax, you're too bitter us. You're too bitter. Relax, man, you're too bitter us. Come on, like and share. You know, see, me not want to play potty. I jump to the last one because that I have cars to go and make. So don't really tell me so on give me 53 likes. You know so on our crosses. On our real crosses, you know. I swear to God on our crosses. I want to treat me like dog. But here it's fine. You know, we are going to say me have a good time, me a laugh, while we laugh together. I don't want to go and just stinky 53 likes. But no wicked enough. That's me feel like say on just want warm me down. On want all my like mix up thing, you know. Why no want all my like mix up thing. You know, you see if you don't want, if I'm telling you, if you want to change, tell all the people them stop come out to come to mix ups. Tell them to stop. And once them stop, I will stop. You understand? Only tell them to stop the mix up. And the Dr. Lena boy will stop. Tell them that. I promise I will stop. I promise you. And this is a promise. I will stop. If them stop, no stop. I promise you. I could just jump in at number 3 now, yeah, man. Because I can't bother the moderation. When I'm going to 53 like, I mean, I come off soon. I'm lucky. Well, I jump to the last one. I jump in at Michelle. Should I say, yeah, about the alliance. About Ashanti and Dana and everybody in there. Everybody. If you can't say some part of the alliance, I bought the whole out. You understand? Not me, Uno. Bought the whole out. Bought the fans and the whole out. The whole out. You understand? The whole out. So even accept that or don't, even I don't give one fuck. I don't care. I'm not here to please. I'm not here to please myself. I'm look at mix up people, man. You understand? Yes.
Yeah, listen. With the pal live, what you say?